Hello and welcome to Decent Channel. Here is the powder packing machine, ordered by Decent Machinery's client from the Dominican Republic. It is widely applicable for packaging flour, mineral powder, chemical powder and other powdery materials. With a production capacity of 200 to 300 bags per minute, it is commonly equipped with heat sealers and bag sewing machines. Now let's take a look at its working process. First, connect the power supply and turn on the switch. On the control panel, set the target packing weight and crate value. Second, switch on the main power gate at the rear of the machine, followed by the temperature controller and motor. The speed reading of 54 is the optimal value and does not need adjusting. Adjust the sealing temperature according to bag materials, then press the set button. When the green light flashes, use the up and down arrows for fine-tuning. The green figure stands for the set temperature, while the red one indicates the real-time temperature. Press set again after adjustment, and wait for the machine to heat up. Once the temperature is ready, fit the packaging bag onto the bag clamping mechanism. At the discharge port, step on the foot switch to fasten the bag. Press the start button and the machine will begin filling. It stops automatically when the material reaches the preset weight. Next, release the bag by stepping on the switch again. The bag is then conveyed via the 3-meter belt conveyor to the heat sealer for complete thermal sealing. The whole packaging process is finished perfectly. Choose Decent Machinery. Choose reliable quality and efficient production.